later with the score? That's my idea.
We are using a mixture of sunlight and lamplight.
Call. I actually don't know. I just found it at sea.
Okay. It's super light. Yeah. So, okay, you have a spectrum there. ISS passing, and we had even the experience once with our little telescope. We tried to capture the ISS, take a picture also. But yeah, let's get this at the beginning of the night. We are responsible for telescope, okay, and its safety, that it doesn't fall down. Shadow of the telescope. Okay, so you move it to center it, up, and then you have it here.
Oh, sweet.
Okay, so who was my screen officer? We found a tree, and then you change the focus to get the sun. And now you get the sun. How many spots? Okay, now I want, who is my photographer in chief? So the way you have the less distortion. The whole disc there is the sun. But then there you have outer disc, which is the limit of my optics. Huh? So what stays fixed with the sun is the sun spot. This, what is the size of this? Typically the size of the Earth. Okay? And it has a magnetic field that prevents the heat to go to the surface. So it's only 4,000 degrees. And let only this wavelength that allows to map upper chromosphere of the sun. And then in that case, you're able to observe directly. So you have the sun image where you can see the whole field. And then if you go too far, you don't see the field. And that's with this camera, but some of you have a much better camera than me. So now I'm going to challenge you.
Okay, so the moon would be this angle around.
Yeah, that was. You have more control if you move the tube, not the accessories.
I see the car.
Which one is moon? Yeah.
It's not as big.
Yeah, I mean, it will be also in the forest. Moving the tube.
Tube.
Yeah.
Looking through the telescope, so yes, it is go better. You can go the other end of the telescope and have yes. The propyl alcohol, yes, but this the dirt and dust has is very reluctant.
That's why you need a last. And this axis for.
Yes, and
Okay.
So
students, did you capture those? Because what is the altitude now of the moon? It's setting. But right after sunset, Saturn becomes Jupiter.
cilvēkiem jau nav šie.
So do some hyperspectral imaging test on the rocks.
This is the focal extender.
You can just directly put it inside this. Power? Just again. Oh, okay.
Telefonen nav tās krāsas.
Wow.
Tas tā kā Afrikā.
Tev labi, ka jāsafāri.
Tas priekš savas acis.
Jā. Visu
Viss
labi.
labi. Thank you, Arnold, for uniting all researchers under Photonica LV.